Hey guys, how's it going? So it's the middle of Golden Week here in Japan, and I don't know too much about it. I just know it's a week where Japanese people get off of work and they like to travel and stuff. I believe it's from April 29th to May 6th or something like that. It's May 4th right now, which is also Star Wars Day, by the way. I just wanted to find out a little bit about Golden Week. I don't know much about it. I think it's like a bunch of holidays wrapped into one or something, but I'm gonna jump in my computer and we're just gonna find out exactly what Golden Week is about. So let's see. All right, let's figure this out. There it is. I already started a little bit, but I didn't read anything. Japanese times. Let's figure it out. Oh, interesting. So these koi fish flags I've seen before. Daiso's been selling them and a lot of stores have been selling them lately. I didn't realize they were associated with Golden Week. Golden Week is big business, a cluster of holidays that results in extended break for most of Japan. It is also a time when huge swaths of the population embark on domestic and international vacations. So it looks like Golden Week encompasses 4 of Japan's 15 national holidays. Showa Day then continues with Constitution Day, Greenery Day, and Children's Day. These holidays celebrate former emperors Hirohito's birthday, his love of plants, and the induction of Japanese Constitution. Children's Day, however, is far more ancient. Look at these kids smiling. That one's sort of plotting something, I think. Koi nobori, carp streamers. Based on Chinese legend that if a carp is strong enough to swim up raging rapids, it can become a dragon. If you know your Pokemon, this may ring a bell. It's referring to Pokemon. Pikachu! Gyarados and Magikarp. Okay, I know it's a loose connection, but I'm gonna start calling Golden Week Gyarados Week. Just putting it out there. Maybe we could rebrand it. All right, so according to Wikipedia, I guess May 5th is the last day, even though it's celebrated through the 6th. I don't know, there might be something I'm missing, but that's Children's Day. So May 4th is Citizens Holiday or Greenery Day. And Greenery Day, I think, let's see what this is, stems from the celebration of the birthday of the emperor who lived from 1901 to 1989. That's actually a pretty long life, 88 years. Officially named, okay, so it's to be thankful with nature. So that's the 4th, and that's also Star Wars Day. So the 3rd is Constitution Memorial Day. Celebrates the entering into force of the 1947 Constitution of Japan. Oh, so basically that constitution after World War II was a more liberal democracy constitution. So it basically gave people more freedom rather than the more, as so they say, authoritarian. Interesting. Okay, so we're celebrating that. What else is there here? And there's also Showa Day. So what is Showa Day? Oh, it honors the birthday of Emperor Showa. Okay. So guys, that's Golden Week. It's basically celebrating 5 of the 15 holidays or whatever they said of Japan all in one week. So they give everyone that week off. And I know right now a lot of Japanese people are traveling. Did you already know this? Or what did you know? What didn't you know? And also, do you want to rename this Gyarados Day? Because I think from now on, I'm going to rename it Gyarados Day. Just because of that last holiday, the children's Kono Koseki no Soko. Anyway guys, that's it. If you learned something, thumbs up the video, and if you love Japan or Okinawa, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.